So Andre wants to post my W-2, snippet it, so that way you can't see the dates. So it's presented differently. Speaking of presentation, excuse me, I got out of surgery this morning, but I'm recovering. Anyways, what we're going to show here is how an alleged millionaire that he claims to be is asking a broke midget like me for money. I'm actually 5'9" and 260 pounds, not 224, but anyways, that's a little bit different. Andre, you started a war, and I'm going to give it to you. Just remember the last time what happened to your people when they got in a war with the U.S. Yes, I'm going to fuck your shit up. And by the way, the Seeker says Faith 100. You know what that is, and I know what that is. That is your passwords to basically everything, Andre, unless you changed it by now.